So unit number first, Laplace transform. This is the lecture number 21. So we are studying the periodic function. Okay. So in last lecture we have studied the one example depends upon the periodic function. What I have studied up to that? We have studied the 7 properties of the Laplace transform, and after that we are studying the special function. Special function. Okay. In that, remember that there are mainly three types of special function. First is the periodic function. Periodic function. Second is the unit step function. And third is the Dirac delta function. In that, we are studying the first function, that is the periodic function. We have studied the definition of this periodic function in last lecture. Now, what is the formula to finding the Laplace transform periodic function? The formula of the periodic function to find the Laplace transform is that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t dt. This is the formula to finding the Laplace transform of the periodic function. Okay. So capital T, this capital T means what? Where capital T is the time period. What is the capital T? Capital T is the time period. So we will see the second example. Examples of these articles are independent of that previous articles. Okay. So be carefully. Example number second. Question number second. The square wave function of period a is defined by f of t is equal to, it has value 2. First is the 1 when 0 is less than t is less than a. Second is a is less than t is less than 2a. Find the Laplace transform f of t. Find the Laplace transform of f of t where f of t is equal to f of t plus 2a. See here, this is a indication of that function is the periodic. समजा जरा ओरिजिनल फंक्शन मध्ये एखादी अँगल ऍड होत असेल तर ते काय असतं periodic function. आता तुम्हाला ह्या ठिकाणी मेन्शन केलं नाही. Here does not mention that these problems depends upon the periodic function. So remember that these problems indicates f of t is equal to f of t plus 2a means what? This function is the periodic function. Okay. So this function has two value. First is the 1 and other is minus 1. When it is 1, when its range is 0 to a. When it is minus 1, when its range is a to 2a. So find the Laplace transform of the periodic function f of t, where f of t is equal to f of t plus 2. आता हे इंडिकेट्स हे जे दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला, ह्याचं म्हणजे काय मिनिंग आहे, हे फंक्शन पिरियडिक आहे आणि ह्याचं तुम्हाला काय काढायचं आहे, लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म. बघा क्वेश्चन दोन प्रकारचे आहेत तुम्हाला एक्झाममध्ये. एक तर डायरेक्टली मेन्शन करतं, फाइंड द लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म ऑफ दिस पिरियडिक फंक्शन, अदरवाइज you will give in that way f of t is equal to f of t plus that something particular time period. आता इथे 2a काय दिलेलं तुमचं टाइम पिरियड दिलेला आहे. तर 2a काय आहे, फंक्शन पिरियड फंक्शन आहे सांगताय, आणि टाइम पिरियड किती आहे 2a. म्हणजे इथे जे आपण फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केलं कॅपिटल pf आहे. मेन फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, एल एफ ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन e टू द पावर मायनस टी 0 टू टी. हे जे टी आहे, हे टी आणि हे टी, हे काय टाइम पिरियड मध्ये त्याला इथे किती दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला, टाइम पिरियड 2a दिलेला आहे. ओके, so we'll see the example solution of these problems. Solution. We know that the Laplace transform of the periodic function is what is the formula? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon e to the power minus s into capital T 0 to t e to the power here small t, here f of t and here dt. Okay, so what you have to given that, this t, capital T means time period, and this is a 2a, and function has two value. One is one value and the other is minus one value. Okay, so here f of t has value 2, one is 1, other is minus 1. When it is 1, 0 is less than t is less than a. When it is minus 1, when a is less than t is less than 2a. And what is the capital T? Capital T is the 2a. So we will put this all value. Hence Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon 1 minus e to the power, instead of the capital T write down small a, integration 0 to 2a e to the power minus est f of t, and this is the dt. Okay, so see here, in between 0 to 2a, what is the range of this integration? So instead of that t, I am putting the 2a. So here 2a. Okay, so after that, see here, in between 0 to 2a, there are two values. See here, we will draw its a graph. Suppose here 0, here something minus infinity, or here something plus infinity. Suppose a is here and here 2a is here. Okay, so see here, what I have to given that, in between 0 to a, value of this function is 0 to a is the 1. Okay, and next, in between a to 2a, okay, its value is the minus 1. In between 0 to a, value 1. In between a to 2a, minus 1. This is the a. Okay, a to 2a. So we'll divide this integration into two parts. 0 to 2a divided into two parts. So Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon e to the power 2a s is integration from 0 to a plus next integration is from a to 2a e to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay, next here e to the power minus st f of t and here dt. So 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus s into 2a in integration 0 to a e to the power minus st. See here, in between 0 to a, what is the value of f of t? In between 0 to a, what is the value of f of t? 1. So instead of this f of t, write down 1 into dt plus a to 2a e to the power minus st. What is the value in between a to 2a? A to 2a is the minus 1 into dt. So we'll solve this integration. So I'll write, repeating this step, 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2as integration is from 0 to a e to the power minus st 1 into dt. Next a to 2a e to the power minus st minus 1 into dt. Okay, so 1 upon 1 minus 2as, we will find its integration. What is the integration of e to the power minus st? E to the power minus st by minus s plus. What is the integration of this? So this plus minus, you will take here minus. Okay, e to the power minus st by minus s. Its range is 0 to a. Its range is a to 2a. So now 1 upon 1 minus 2as, this minus take constant outside, e to the power minus st by s minus minus plus e to the power minus st by s a to 2a. So its range is 0 to a. Now we will put the upper and lower limit. 1 upon 1 minus 2as curly bracket, this minus keep outside. So what will you get upper limit? E to the power minus sa by s minus lower limit 0 e to the power 0 by s. This is the upper limit minus lower limit plus this 1 by s is a constant, keep outside. So what is the upper limit for this bracket? E to the power minus 2as. What is the lower limit? Is e to the power minus sa. Upper limit is this, lower limit is this. So here 1 by s, 1 by s, 1 by s. So 1 by s keep outside from this whole bracket. So 1 upon 1 minus 2as into s. Okay, this minus e to the power minus sa minus minus plus e to the power 0 is the 1. So this already s have taken outside, this s also taken outside, plus e to the power minus 2s minus e to the power minus s. Hence 1 upon s times 1 minus 2as. So this is a 1 plus e to the power minus 2s minus 2 times e to the power minus sa. And what is this? That side is a Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon s times 1 minus 2as into 1 plus e to the power minus 2s 2 times e to the power minus s. So answer is over. But here only have to find out the integration. फक्त आपण हेडिंग काय काढायला इंटिग्रेशन काढलेलं आहे. फक्त लिमिट वेगळे दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला आणि तुम्ही M2 मध्ये ऑलरेडी इंटिग्रेशन पाहिलेलंच आहे डबल इंटिग्रेशन वगैरे. So this is a very simple part. So now we will start the next example. So we see the example number next. Question is that find the Laplace transform of half sine wave defined as f of t is equal to sin wt, 0 is less than t is less than pi by w, other value is 0, pi by w is less than t is less than 2 pi by w, and f of t plus 2 pi by w is equal to f of t. So we'll see the solution. How to identify this is a periodic function. See here, f of t is f of t plus 2 pi is equal to f of t. बघा त्याच्यावरून बघायचं की हे फंक्शन कसं आहे पिरियडिक फंक्शन, म्हणजे टी मध्ये काहीतरी ऍड केल्याबरोबर f of t घेतले म्हणजे हे फंक्शन पिरियडिक फंक्शन आहे. ओके, आणि त्याचं आपल्याला काय करायचं, फाइंड द लॅपलास काढायचं. लॅपलास काढायचं आपल्याला. सो फर्स्टली वी नो द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ द Laplace transform of periodic function. Okay, so formula is that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t and here dt. So this capital T here, what is the capital T? That is 2 pi by w. Okay, so function has two values. First is the 0 to pi by w, second is pi by w to 2 pi. So we'll draw its diagram also. Something here 0, here minus infinity, suppose here pi by w, and here something 2 pi by w, and here something infinity. So in between 0 to pi, in between 0 to pi by w, value of function is the sin wt, and in between 2 pi by w, 2 pi by w, that is 0. Okay, so we will start this Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon e to the power minus s. What is the value of this capital T? 2 pi by w, 0 to 2 pi by w, e to the power minus st f of t and here dt. Okay, one upon 1 minus 2s pi by w. So we'll 0 to 2 pi divided into two parts, 0 to pi by w, and second is 2 pi by w, 2 pi by w. So 0 to pi by w, and next is pi by w to 2 pi by w. So remaining part is as it is, e to the power minus st f of t dt, to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay. So after that we have getting the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2 pi